In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable JavaScript in Google Chrome. JavaScript is a key component used by many websites to provide interactive features and enhance your browsing experience. However, there are times when you may want to disable it, maybe for privacy reasons or to improve performance on certain sites. Let's walk through this process together to give you more control over how websites function in your browser. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Head to the top right corner of the screen where you'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is your menu button. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. It's like the gateway to all your browser settings and is conveniently located for easy access. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This action will take you to a new tab dedicated to all things settings related within Chrome. It's a one-stop shop for customizing your browser to suit your needs. Once you're in the Settings tab, shift your attention to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll find a variety of categories, but the one we're focusing on today is Privacy and Security. Click on it. This section is crucial for adjustments related to how your browser interacts with websites. After clicking Privacy and Security, you'll see a lot of different settings options appear. Find Site Settings within this section and click on it. The Site Settings page is like a control center for how websites behave in your browser, offering numerous options you can adjust to tailor your web experience. Now, on the Site Settings page, scroll down until you reach a section titled Content. Under this heading, you'll find JavaScript. Click on that. JavaScript's presence here signifies its importance in enabling sites to function dynamically by running scripts. You should now see 2 options. Sites can use JavaScript and don't allow sites to use JavaScript. If you'd like to enable JavaScript, ensuring that websites can provide you with their full range of features, choose Sites can use JavaScript. This option is typically the default setting, allowing for a rich, interactive browsing experience. On the other hand, if you're looking to increase your privacy or perhaps speed up the load time of certain web pages, you might opt to disable JavaScript. To do so, select Don't allow sites to use JavaScript. This setting might cause some websites to not display correctly because JavaScript is often critical to their function, but it's a trade-off that can be beneficial in specific circumstances. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you've gained mastery over one of the essential settings in Google Chrome, allowing you to tailor your browsing experience to your individual preferences. Thanks for joining me today.